Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So the other day I was on foot. I took a trip down to the shops, and on my way back I noticed a big roll of carpet, like an offcut, left outside one of my neighbours' houses. Now, instead of just taking it, I thought I would knock on her door, and she said, yep, I've literally just put it outside. Even though it was pouring down with rain, the carpet seemed to be dryish, so it was all right, weren't too bad. She'd literally just put it out. She said she was about to take it down the tip, and if I was to take it away for her, I'd be doing her a favour. So it was absolutely perfect, because I wanted to get like a custom made sort of rug or mat in the back of the van, just to go over my Ultro flooring, because although the flooring I've got in here is really good already, it's not that comfortable when I'm camping in the van. So I thought I'd get something a bit more nicer. And yeah, so she let me have it. I carried it home in the rain. Yeah, walked this big rug back, or carpet should I say, big offcut. Nice, it's a nice grey colour, I'll show you it in a sec. And yeah, got it back. I couldn't wait, I was impatient. I cut it all up, got a sharp Stanley knife blade type thing, cut it all up, and then the edges, because obviously it's like a normal carpet, the edges go a bit fluffy and all the fluff starts like coming off everywhere. So I was like, right, I need to get this trimmed up somehow. And this is where another good mate of mine, James, he does sort of like custom designer clothes and trainers and bags and things like that. He basically takes a pair of trainers, like say if they're Nike, and then he'll put like a Gucci tick on them, or he'll do, I don't know, bags. He'll turn a jacket into a bag. So if you've got like a Burberry jacket and you want to turn that into a bag, you can do. Like literally he can do anything. If it's got like material on it, I don't know, leather or cotton or whatever, trainers, he'll literally turn it into whatever you want. And he's got all like sewing machines and bits like that. So he's like, yeah, run it up and I'll put like a trim on it around the edge. I was just hoping for like a normal grey trim or black one, but no, he had a load of like leather, which was actually like the perfect colour. It was like, it looked almost like this GTR red I've got. And we decided to cut it up, or he decided to cut it up. I can't take any credit for this. All I'd done was hold the carpet, cut all the leather up, and then joined it all together, made a nice edging trim. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the video of us putting it all together, or James putting it all together, shall I say, and then yeah, show you the after shots of the carpet. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. If you want to check out my mate James's work, I will leave a link in the description to his Instagram. He has got a YouTube channel, but he's not really that active on YouTube, so I'll put a link to his Instagram, and yeah, let's go from there. Cheers. pretty good though.
What do you reckon, Reg?
It was good, didn't it, mate?
What do you think, boy?
He probably wants to mark his territory on it. So you can see, got the red trim all the way around, and it's all in like a leather, like I say, and it's red stitched as well. See, like the quality of the stitching, it's really good. It's come out really well. And then obviously because of my pod and stuff, when I took the measurements, I made sure it would go around the pod. It goes back up this side, and then underneath here as well, that's all trimmed. For anyone wondering how I've done it, you can see here, look, I've done a little diagram of the back of the van, of the floor, and then these are my measurements: 1280 wide, 775 up to the pod, 615 that way. And yeah, took the measurements, marked it out on the back of the carpet, and the way I got my straight line was by using another rug in my house to yeah, do the edges, so it just come out straight as boss. Hope this helps.